Now here's how we can accept a shared calendar on the iPhone. And let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So if I just go to one iPhone and then go to my iCloud calendar and tap on the more information, I'll be able to add a person which I want to share it with, right? So that is the calendar that the other person can access, whatever. But on the other phone, in order to accept that shared calendar, the way that it works is that that invite is going to show up in the bottom right corner next to the folder icon or mail or whatever you want to call it. You click there and you'll see like notifications, right? So this is the page where you can see some like events from the email showing up, and the suggestions for you to add it to your calendar. Depends on what is going on your phone, but this is like the page for notifications. And the shared calendars should also appear right away, so you'll see that that person invited you to join their calendar, right? So you have the ability to click on join and accept, or click on a decline, and you're not going to be able to see that anymore, right? So that is how you can accept it. It's really not that big of a deal. It's just important to know where you can find it specifically for a better and more like usable experience with the iPhone. So let me know if you managed to find it. Let me know in the comments below if it worked. Subscribe for the next tutorials and quick tips like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.